Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Jagriti Singh, and today in this video I'm explaining chapter 8, The Hack Driver. This is a story written by Sinclair Lewis. Harry Sinclair Lewis was an American writer and playwright. In 1930, he became the first writer from the United States and the first from the Americas to receive the Nobel Prize in Literature. He was a novelist, playwright, and short story writer. He got Nobel Prize in Literature in 1930. Important question is this: when he get Nobel Prize in Literature? And answer is in 1930. Hack driver. What are other words for hack driver? You can call it as cab driver, taxi driver, taxi man, cabman, cabbie, hack driver, livery driver, driver. Introduction. It is the story of a hack driver called Oliver Lutz. He lived at New Mullion. He was an important witness in a court case. The law firm wrote many letters to him, but he did not appear before the court. At last, the firm sent a young lawyer to New Mullion to issue summons to Lutkyns. The junior assistant clerk did not recognize Lutkyns. वो उसे पहचान नहीं पाया. Lutkyns met him at the station. He took the assistant clerk all over the town in search of Lutkyns, although he himself was Lutkyns. Himself? Bill was himself Lutkyns. He could not serve the summon to Lutkyns. He had to return back to the city, but the owner of the legal firm sent him back to New Mullion. He could serve the summon to Lutkyns this time. This is an amusing tale. Character sketch of Oliver Lutkyns, the hack driver. Oliver Lutkyns was also called Bill Magnuson, hack driver. The lawyer decided to rent Bill's hack and search for Lutkyns. He is a crook who lives in the country town of New Mullion. He lives in a small town. He pretends to be Bill Magnuson, the hack driver, and manages to cheat the narrator of his money. Junior assistant clerk. Narrator. At the railway station, he meets a person who introduced himself as Bill. Narrator is a lawyer who hates city life. He thinks of pursuing a career in a small town. He goes to New Mullion to serve a summon on Oliver Lutkyns. Summary. The lawyer decided to rent Bill's hack and search for Lutkyns. Bill manipulated the lawyer and made him visit different places in search of Lutkyns. He always goes ahead and inquires about Lutkyns. They went to Fritzshop. वे Fritzshop गए to catch Lutkyns, where he plays poker. Fritzshop में Lutkyns poker खेलता था. They have been told that he has gone to Gustav Barber for shaving. Later at Gustav place also they could not meet him. वहाँ पे भी वो उससे नहीं मिल पाए. And somebody told them they saw him in the pool room. किसी ने बताया कि वो pool room में उसे देखा. They could not find him there and told he left the pool room after buying cigarette. In afternoon, Bill asked the lawyer to buy food from his wife as it would be less costly than a restaurant. They had their lunch at Waits Hill, which is a beautiful place. By now, the lawyer was fully convinced that Bill is a generous and helpful person. लॉयर को ऐसा लगा कि बिल एक बहुत ही अच्छा इंसान है. He even started comparing city people and villagers. Later they went to Lutkyns' mother's house, but she was a horrible lady and she was close to attacking them with a hot iron rod. Lutkyns की मम्मी ने उन लोगों के ऊपर अटैक किया hot iron rod से. At last the lawyer has to leave without serving to summon to Lutkyns. Lastly, लॉयर को वहाँ से जाना पड़ा. He was badly scolded by his chief the next day and was sent again to New Mullion with a colleague who knew Lutkyns. On reaching station, the lawyer happily acknowledged that Bill was such helpful people to him in searching Lutkins. At this point, he was told by his colleague that the hack driver was none other than Oliver Lutkins. Lastly, उसे पता चलता है उसके colleague के द्वारा कि जो hack driver था वो कोई और नहीं बल्कि ल्यूटकिंस है. The lawyer felt ashamed of himself. लॉयर को खुद के ऊपर शर्मिंदा फील होता है. Theme of the story: Hack driver is the story. He goes to village and he meets a person who introduced himself as Bill. Bill made plan to befool the narrator in a very friendly but subtle way. Lawyer's boss rebuked him badly and asked him to go back to the New Million with the person who knew Lutkins. When they reached there, he found Bill and Lutkins' mother together. The man recognized Lutkins. He told that Bill no one but Lutkins himself. Conclusion: this story teaches us that we should not trust anyone without knowing them. Otherwise, people will make fool of us. ये स्टोरी हमें ये बताती है कि हमें किसी के ऊपर अनजाने में या फिर जब तक जान पहचान ना हो भरोसा नहीं करना चाहिए, अदरवाइज़ वे हमें मूर्ख बना सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन: व्हाट वाज गुस्ताफ? गुस्ताफ वाज अ बार्बर, नाई, लिव इन न्यू म्यूलियन. गुस्ताफ कौन था? एक बार्बर था. क्वेश्चन: हु इज़ हैक ड्राइवर? हैक ड्राइवर कौन है? द हैक ड्राइवर बिल मैग्नसन himself is Lutkins. He deceives the lawyer the entire day so as to avoid receiving the summons from him to a witness. Why did the lawyer hate his work? Lawyer को अपना काम क्यों पसंद नहीं था? The lawyer got selected for the job of a junior assistant clerk in a very famous law firm in the city after completing his graduation, but instead of preparing legal papers like a lawyer, he was made to serve summons to various dangerous people whom he had referred to as his victims. He had to go to dirty and dark. Lawyer did not like his job. Thank you everyone for watching this video.